Alright, Netflix fans, if you're stuck behind a profile lock on your iPhone and can't binge your favorite shows, I've got you covered. In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you how to disable that profile lock, quick and easy. First, grab your iPhone and open the Netflix app. Down at the bottom right, tap on My Netflix. Now, look up to the top right and hit the menu icon, the 3 little lines. From there, choose Manage Profiles. Select the profile you want to unlock. You'll see Profile Lock. Tap it. Here's your quick fix. Tap Delete Profile Lock. Enter your current PIN and tap Yes to confirm. That's it. The lock is gone and you're back in. But what if the app doesn't show the option, or you totally blanked on your PIN? Don't sweat it. Open Safari and go to your Netflix account page. Scroll down to Profiles and Parental Controls and pick the profile you want to change. Tap Change next to Profile Lock. Now, enter your Netflix account password. You'll see a box that says, Require a PIN. Just uncheck that. Hit Save, and the profile lock is history. And here's a pro tip. If you forgot your PIN on the lock screen, just hit Forgot PIN. You'll need your account password, but you can reset everything right then and there. Want more Netflix tricks? I can show you how to set up a new PIN, tweak those maturity ratings, or even block certain shows from your kids' profiles. Just let me know in the comments. If this helped, drop a like and hit subscribe for more quick tech fixes.